Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Wow, red hair. You know, I'm continuing on. We talked about last year I was going to show you every style, shape, and color that I can, and I am going to do it. And I believe I'm doing a pretty good job. I've shown you reds, blondes, grays. Also, stay tuned. I've got some brunettes coming that are going to be beautiful, so I can't wait to show those to you. This video today is going to be a look at Raquel Welch basic cap styles. Now I'm going to show you 5 wigs that are basic cap, and then the bonus is I am going to review the one I have on, which is Raquel Welch Breeze in Glazed Cinnamon R30 25S. Now, all the styles I'm going to show you, this is going to work like every other video like this that I do. I've already reviewed all the other styles I'm going to show you, and they will be linked in the drop-down box below this video. So be sure to look down there and click the link if there's one of these you'd like to see the full review on. This is not a color comparison or anything like that. It's just showing you some basic style wigs from Raquel Welch. Now, as you know, I have mentioned in many other videos, I firmly believe, and I'm going to stand by it, that basic caps definitely have their place. I enjoy them still. My first wig was a basic cap. I wear basic caps all the time. Don't get me wrong, I love all the bells and whistles, the monotops, the lace fronts, fully hand-tied. I love them all, but I really believe basic caps have their place. If you are new to wigs, I believe you should start with a basic cap. That's debatable. Everyone has their own opinion. This is just my opinion. I think it's a good place to start because it's budget friendly. You don't have to break the bank. You know, wigs can be very expensive, and they can be expensive mistakes if we buy them and they don't work for us at all. Maybe you can't return it for whatever reason. So I believe if you try basic caps first, you won't have invested a ton of money, yet you can experiment a little more, finding a style you like, finding a color you like. And then there's always time to go into those wigs that have more, like I say, bells and whistles. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel so I can keep this content coming. I have an outdoor video of this hair. I will show it to you at the end of this video. So let's get started and look at some basic cap styles for Raquel Welch. Okay, let's start with the wig I have on, which is Raquel Welch Breeze. It is Glazed Cinnamon. This is synthetic style. It is just all over waves. You could run some water through here, some styling cream through here, some, let's see, yeah, I have a little of the sea salt spray. I would run that through here and just create some texture and separation. That's what I like. Now keep in mind, most basic cap wigs have permatease. If you don't like permatease, you might not like basic cap wigs. I love permatease, as you know. I talk about it all the time. I like the height. And that's another thing, y'all. It took me forever to get used to having a lot of hair on my head. My bio hair is fine and thin, and after I had chemo and it came back, my hair was no better than it was. I know some people's hair grows back and it's much nicer than it was beforehand. Not the case with me. Mine is even more fine and thin than it was before I lost it to chemo. So when I first started wearing wigs, and like I said, my first style was a Noriko, and it has a lot of permatease. Looking back at it now, it's not a lot of hair, but at the time I was like, oh my gosh, this is so much hair. So it took me a long time to get used to seeing myself with a lot of hair because I never had a lot of hair. And so it takes time. So I know a lot of new wig wearers, when they get their first wigs, they think this is too much hair. Give yourself time to get used to that. And, you know, wear it to the store. Wear it to errands, wherever you're just going to be out a little while until you get used to it, until you get used to seeing yourself with hair. It does take time, and believe me, other people don't think it looks like a lot of hair. We just think that when we look in the mirror at ourselves. So just keep that in mind when if you're new to wigs and you think, oh, this looks like a lot of hair. It probably doesn't to other people, but I understand it does to us in the beginning, but you will get used to it. And now I'm like, give me a lot of hair. The more permatease, the better I like it. Okay, back to Breeze. Let's look at this color, Glazed Cinnamon. It is a medium auburn, and then it's shaded with these ginger blonde highlights. It is a beautiful color. I have fallen in love with Raquel Welch red shades. I have a video that shows 5 or 6 different red shades. I'll link it below as well. Now, you could wear this out from behind your ears. That's not how I would wear it, but I want to show you that you could. And like I said, you can make this big. You could make this really big if you would like. But I like to tame it a little. And that's another thing. You might think, oh, that's too much, that's too curly. You can always tame these wigs a little. Put it behind your ears. Work it out. Work the curls out a little with your hands. And you can tame this down to where it doesn't look like it's too poofy or a lot of hair. This is a beautiful style Breeze. The front is 5. It has this bang. Like I said, there's no lace front here, but you can still pull this off your face a little if you would like. And just leave a little bit of fringe down. Front 5, crown 5.5. The sides and the back are both 5, and the nape is 5.25. So it has some length here at the nape. Really pretty. Okay, I'm going to show you 4 other basic caps. Okay, here's a look at the inside of the cap of a Breeze. All the ones I'm going to show you are basically the same. They're all open wefted. None of them have a lace front. This has no lace front. This does have permatease through here. Open wefted. This one has open ear tabs. They all do not. Some will have closed, but it's all basically the same as far as no lace front and open wefting. This one has an open extended nape, Velcro adjusters, and a ton of stretch in this wig Breeze. So definitely would work for larger circumferences. I have a 21.25 inch head circumference. Okay, that is a look at 5 Raquel Welch basic cap styles. I hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun making this for you. Please like and subscribe. Leave me lots of comments if you like these kind of videos that show multiple styles and colors, because I want to make what I think you enjoy watching. Again, thank you so much. Don't forget, follow me on Instagram for Coffee with the Crazy Wig Lady, my giveaways, my makeup discussions. Everything happens over on Instagram. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.